What's up guys, my name is Adam and this is Broke Man Finance, a channel where we try to bring you the most up-to-date information that we can find in the stock market that we think can help you make some money. Oh, Hyliion. You really had me worried that we were going to be stuck holding the bag on you guys. There has been such a lack of updates and news coming out of the Hyliion camp. Here recently, I just kind of thought maybe you guys were just rolling over and dying or just praying for an acquisition. Plus, with the rate at which EV companies are moving and grooving, it almost seemed like there was a good chance the Hyliion's hybrid system could be left in the dust and just unwanted and unneeded. And I'm not saying that that's still not a reason to worry, but they did release some news that made me change my mind a little bit. It made me feel a little more at ease about the direction this company was moving. But like I said, they did announce some good news this past week, and that share price jumped up 30% at one point and was trading for over $22. It has since fallen back down to $18.85, but that's still 18% up for the week. I'll take it. Now, we still have a long way to go to get back to highs that we were seeing back in the day, but we are still hopeful this could be a new bottom instead of those damn $15 levels. The big news was this. Hyliion announced its next generation of battery technology. Its battery module integrates Toshiba's LTO cells with Hyliion's technology to achieve longer battery life, higher charging rates, and improved safety. This will be part of their new generation hybrid systems. Now, I'll be the first to admit that when I first read that Hyliion had a new battery, like, yippity-dippity-doo-dah. I didn't think it would be as good as it is once I read it. In fact, it's pretty damn impressive. The battery has a cycle life 5 times better than a conventional EV battery. Not only that, but it can be charged in 8 minutes. That is insanely fast when you compare it to other EV batteries. Those two things could be very enticing to owners of current fleets that were torn between going to a new all-electric truck or changing theirs over to a hybrid for now. The battery has passed a UN 38.3 battery test, so it has shown that it can survive the rigors of the road. I will be completely 100% honest. I have no idea what kind of test that is or what it entails, but I'm assuming that that's a good thing. If Hyliion can continue innovating, then they may actually live up to the hype that we were thinking they were going to back whenever they were Shell. Ah, the good old days. But remember, we gauge the quality of an EV company by their efficiency. And from the looks of it, this new battery technology that Hyliion's dealing with is, well, it definitely points in that direction. I was impressed that whenever just this little bit of news, and it didn't seem to make big headline news, but just this little bit sliver of news that came out of Hyliion's camp sent that share price soaring at a very fast rate. So that tells me people are watching this stock. People are watching Hyliion. This is not a dead in the water company like a lot of analysts like to say. As soon as they came out with anything, share price just flew through the roof. Now, if they can continue putting out announcements and giving us updates and then couple that with some good earnings reports, this thing will be well above $30 a share in no time. But we need those announcements and we need those earnings reports. That was what got me excited about Hyliion this past week. It wasn't the battery itself, it was the way the share price reacted to it. It jumped up a lot, and it jumped up a lot really quickly. It felt good to finally see something attached to Hyliion that was good news instead of just nothing but bearish news. But let me know what you think about Hyliion in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, I hope you stay safe out there. I hope those stocks stay green, and I hope everyone you know around you takes care.